Perfect cuts are now easy. Did you know perfect cuts no longer require years of experience? Cutting once depended on skill, control, and steady hands. Mistakes were common, and precision took practice. Guided systems changed everything, creating straight and accurate cuts. What once took years to master can now be done quickly and consistently. The difference between guesswork and precision is now clear. But here is the real question. If tools make perfect cuts easy, what happens to skill? Are we improving craftsmanship or relying too much on tools? So are perfect cuts earned or created? Like and follow for more.